Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to draw a lily flowers. It is very easy to draw a picture of lily flowers. You just have to be patient and watch the video from beginning to end. As you can see, I am drawing a lily leaf first. The rest of the part should be drawn at end of the drawing the page. For those who are just starting to learn drawing, watching the video for the first time may seem a bit daunting. However, for those who will start the practice as soon as they see the drawing, it is very easy to draw. Friend, this is a simple lily flower drawing video tutorial you will learn if you watch the carefully from beginning to end. The good news I am trying to give you is that I am trying to creating a video course for you. Once the course is ready, I will publish it for you. The good news is that you will not need to pay for this course. The course is completely free. At the moment, we are almost finished drawing the picture of the flower. The whole picture, but not finished drawing it. We will draw step by step with the complete picture. At the moment, we are drawing one more flower leaf. Many thanks everyone who subscribed to my channel. I am very proud to see your support. Viewers must comment and let us know how you like the videos. And you must let me know in the comment what kind of video you need. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss another update. Guys, thank you very much for watching full video.